Peace! What's going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Hope everyone had a wonderful day. We had an amazing trading day today. Shoot over to the Mojo room. Let's say hello to the team. I'll show you exactly what we did today in the Mojo room. Check this baby out. Here's the Mojo room. We only got 47 traders left in the room up top right here with the live screen share. Myself, I'm only on the microphone right now. With these controls down here, you'll see me go live. I only announce the picks in this area right here. You could pop out the screen share right there and watch my screen in real time. And if you have anything to say in the general chat area, you type it right in there and you click send. That is how you use the MOJO Day Trading room, folks. That's how you use the Mojo. And there I am on the mic right there with my schnazzaz. So let's see what we did today in the Mojo room. We come right down here. We did a little OBLG swing pick, little OGIN, a little OGIN, little this, a little that, little this, a little that, a little of that, a little of this, and a little of that, and a little of this, and a little of that. So after a little of this, and a little of that, and then a little of this, and a little of that, I think it only took 30 minutes of a little of that. And then 5 minutes of a little of this. And at 10:02, I said, show me the money. DJ made $322, followed by Acre, Batman, and Allen with a smooth 203, 1222, and 1916. Yup. Rhett, 154, V, 856. 208 by Neil, RK 145, Partridge 112, Bloomer 1250, 2000, what? Yeah, 2158, and RJ 1209, Bama 2732, Master. So we got that right there, guys. The Master Trader and the Pro Trader. What's the difference? Stay tuned to find out. Keep an eye on these stocks on the Mojo room right here. I got some nice positions right now. UVXY is moving. I'm up 200 on it. Go UV. Go UV. I mean, I got 3,000. I just sold a little bit of it. But this is what I've done for today. I got 500 Blink. MXSC. I'm up $1 on the short. And so forth. The red's the short. The others are long. I shall be right back. Mr. Rams. All right. Nice. So we were looking over in the Mojo room at the profits that Sammy made, 510. In the last 2 months in the zone, worked in position sizing. Great topic for today. One of my best days. Brewer up 218, Tom 250, Tony 121, Troy 182, Mar 1325. Great day. And the weeds are moving. So I traded UVXY today. I've lost $262 on that one. I traded Blink today, which is a swing pick since 250. I've made 1,641. I've shorted this stock, MXC, right here for $6,000. OBLG, I've made 1,000. OGEN, I've made 500. SND, I made 3,500. ACB, I made 1,000. I've been in these all day. CGC, 140. And I told you guys right here, if you look, the weeds are moving right here. I told everyone this morning. Did I just put the weeds in here? Weeds. Up here, I put it in. I said everything's going to be a weed kind of day. Back on the mic here. Sorry about that. So that's what we did, all with the weeds moving beautiful. ACB, CGC, and Tilray guy, all the weeds are moving beautiful. Weeds are moving. And check this baby out. You're tired of your day job? You can make all that money with me in 30 minutes, guys. Look at my website, revamping it a little bit, but this is a rough copy. Right there, that's me. Right there, guys. Right there, I'm going to save this one as well. Another one. So right there, you get the MOJO Day Trading course with any plan. I've been trading for 30 years. I know everything. Voted the #1 online educational course because I had the first one, and I've started the first YouTube channel with day trading. I have over 2,000 live trading videos, more than anyone in the whole world. Here's a couple of them showing me make some beautiful coin. Got the Mojo plans, chat room 1 month plan, $199. Unbelievable chat room. You make that in the first day on the first trade. Then everything else is gravy. You need $200 a trade, definitely. 3 month plan is $149. That's the most best one. And 12 month you can go $99. Listen to what these guys says. Alan right there. He left for today, but he owes me a new video. Alan, listen to him, man. He's the greatest. He's the greatest. So let's see the watch list from today. I'm interested. What did the watch list do? Let's see. WISA, 6-cent loss. SNDE, $1.05 gain. Picked it at $3.75. Went up $1.05 to $4.80. Timber, penny loss, 4-cent loss, 4-cent gain. All right, nothing big. The stocks haven't been crazy moving. Some of the swings have been moving real nice. Check out the swing picks, guys. If you were in Sunday's newsletter, and check out my day trading website for sure up above. But if you took advantage of that BOGO offer and got that newsletter, look what happened. On the 720 newsletter, these three. OBLG, gainer on the NASDAQ today, was Mojo swing pick at $295. Check it out. Here's the newsletter right here. It went out Sunday night. It's right here. First pick, TNXP at 81 cents. See this one? This is called a winner. It's the first pick. TNXP winner. So this one right here, let me just bang that baby out. This was a swing pick that was going to break above Heinz, $1, going from a loss of $19.33 to a loss of 92 cents to a loss of 57 cents. Beautiful, beautiful increase of moves. $7.19.81. Going from a loss of $1, support at 76, going to test the red circle at 83 and 84, adding at 97, float small, 11.4 million, and funds, who knows. Earnings due 9/10, and that was that one. That's TNXP. So I just posted that right there. See it? TNXP. I just posted it. And the stock right now. Ooh, here goes my UVs moving. Everything's moving good. TNXP is $1.21 by 22. But yesterday it went to 246. 246 from 81 cents on Sunday's newsletter. That was the first pick. The second pick was DMPI at 88 cents. See it? DMPI. That was the second pick. So I saved this one. DMPI winner. This one right here, 719 swing trade newsletter pick. So I come up here. This one is DMPI. 719 Sunday night newsletter pick at 88 cents, break above Heinz $1, going from a loss of 313 to a loss of 64 to 44. Volume increased 105% to 1.5 million from 769. Strong support at 68 circles, testing $1.25 and $1.53, adding it to 97. Float 11.4 million. Funds not available on this one. Earnings, is this same thing? What? How does this have the same as this? Yeah, I made a mistake. Oh well, when I copied it. Close enough, though. It was Delmar. Pick's a pick, though. We got it at 88 cents. So I posted this one too. Excuse Twitter, excuse the mistake on the description of it, but you get the idea. DMPI from Sunday. It was gone to a high today of $1.40. $1.50, $1.40, $1.50 was the high today. $1.50 on DMPI. That was the second pick in the newsletter. The third pick in the newsletter was XBio at $1.24 for a base breakout. See it? XBio right here at $1.24. XBIO. It's at $1 yesterday, 80 high. So it went from $1.24 to $1.80. Third pick. That was XBio winner from Sunday. And the XBio pick I have mixed up with OBLG. How's that possible? DMPI. I messed it up with OBLG. See that? But I wrote the same thing. But this should be XBio. I just didn't change that. But it used to be a $100 stock. In 2018, it was 107, going from a loss of 1094 to a loss of 158 to a loss of 38. Increased earnings estimates the next 2 years. This is the right one. I just made a mistake on that one little part. And this is XBio. Mojo swing pick right there. 719 newsletter pick at $1.24. Just gotta take out some of this language so I could post it. Done. So here's the XBio pick right there, which was the third one out of 12 picks. Doing nice on my picks here. So XBio right now, third one, right there on 7/19 Sunday night newsletter pick right there, beautiful. XBio, amazing. The next one on the list hasn't moved yet. It's AutoWeb. I'm thinking it's going to move with the online cars. Salem Media as well. 189 and 190, both of them. Auto and Salem. Auto and Salem. Auto, AUTO, is right here. It only went up to, where is it? It went to 217, going to move. And the other one was the Hyra car. Right here at 305. See it? It's looking real nice. Hyra. And the other one that hasn't moved yet is Salem at 190. Auto spiked up and down, but it'll go back up. And Salem at 190 is 190. It only went to 210, so they haven't made the huge move yet of 100% move. You know what I'm saying? Hasn't made that incredible spike. The next one, CKPT at 223. CKPT at 223 is 290. We sold at 295 today and yesterday. That was a big, nice winner on CKPT right here. It's called Checkpoint Therapeutics. CKPT, mini Heinz trade. Right there on the CKPT. That was a winner. Sunday newsletter. I got that description right. Post this one too. So this is CKPT. Why did I pick this one? Let's see. Many good highlights. 719 newsletter medical biomed industry pick at the 223 range. Earnings estimates for the next 2 years increased with a 199% and a 708% increase in those back quarters, going from a loss of 70 to 36 to 44. Volume increase, check this out, 2,293%. Support at 222, gonna go test 242 and 262. Look at that. Ain't that awesome? That's exactly what it did. So sweet, right? That was CKPT. That was a beautiful one. The next one after that's the Hyre, H-Y-R-E at 3. Hasn't really moved yet. H-Y-R-E, Hyre, still at like 305. The next one was OBLG right here. Big winner on OBLG. Today's NASDAQ gainer. Mojo nailed that one. That was OBLG. Nice winner there at 301. OBLG. I'll tell you why I picked this one. This one I picked because it was Sunday night. I pulled it up in my research. Had many good highlights. It was in the Internet Network Solutions industry. And it was at the $3 range. I'm looking for it to break 3. It can go higher. You never know. It's going from a loss of 164 to who knows. 98 relative strength, though. I like that. Stop line at 274. Volume increased 916% to 1.9 million from 192,000. Small float, 5.2 million. Look at that one. Risk reward 10 to 1 on OBLG. Today's big winner. Stock was 3. Stock went up to $5 per share. OBLG. Today's big spike right here to $4.69 per share on OBLG. Looking real nice. All right, let's get back to my hedges. UV's the same, spiked up and back down. I got this 3,000 as a hedge against all this others. I can go higher, as I done before. And Blink, I'm up 25 cents. I'm going to sell some of this, get down to 100. MXC reversed. I could re-short this one because it's way back up there. See that at 12. See that? So I'm going to buy it back here, and then I'm going to re-short it through 12. Watch. See? 1206, 1207. Mexco Energy. See this one? So I'll short it again right here at 12, 11.95, and 12 and 13 right here, and get up to 1,000 shares. There we go. At 12.09 average, short. So I'll cover if it goes higher. I'll reprice. This is my big win for the day. So I'm looking good there. If it goes back under 12, and then OBLG, my swing, right there. And my day trade for the day, 362 by 64, looking okay. Ojin, 500 right there, even. Made 498 on that. SNDE this morning, did really nice on that this morning. I'll show you. Look at the move it made right here at the open. See this? Made a beautiful move right here at the open. It was good in the pre-market. It was eyed by the man himself with the big following. And there you go, made a big ride up, and I thank $3,000 off that trade right there. There's MXC, just dumped under that. CGC and the weeds are up. And I got a little bit of the weeds for this afternoon. ACB, Aurora Cannabis, CGC, Canopy Growth, and TLRY, Tilray Corporation. There goes UV, just Heinz Beautiful, look. Oh no, that was the MXC. I thought it was UV going through 26. I was like, what? So that's what we did today. And that's what we got on the swings. OBLG made 54% on that today. INSE made 11.94%. DMPI made 53%. Arlo from 305 to 355. IDXG from 525 to 655. Verb from $1.10 to $2.55. So when someone says, hey, Mike, I got some AMD for 55 and I'm winning, it's at 60 and I'm up 5%. Dude, I'm up 131%, 53% in a day, 54% in 2 days, 40%, 33%, 119%, 38%, 177%, 240%. All my other beauties, 410%, 111%, 182%, 47%, 166%, 49% on solo this month. Solo cars, Blink at 250, 182%. Voozy at 275, 47%. These are the picks, boys. Tanox, TNXP, 67%. These are the picks you hear about every day, guys. Like this MVIS, you hear what's his name talking? Look, let's go back 1, 2, 3 months, 4 months. This was like a pick 5, 6 months ago and doing shit. That one guy talking about that crap. Here's the Boxel in that one. QMU, CHFS. Look at all those winners. It's beautiful. All right, here goes my UV. 2602. Go, baby. All right, we're going to put it out at 2602 and 2604. And I'm going to sell a little bit right there. MXC, I'm doing another 500. There we go. 1227 average. I'm going to cover up about break even on this one probably. Do another 500 each. I'm going to cover it up if it goes above 50. Looks like we got a little down red bar right here. Nice. Go, baby. Go down. There we go. 20, 10, 1204. Beautiful. Up 200. What's frozen? No, it's not frozen. I see it's moving. Nice short there. What we got? UV only up 25 bucks. OBLG died. Still okay. Ogen even on. Got a big size. 50,000 came in on Ogen. SND up a little bit. ACB up nice. I was up much early. Up a lot earlier, but I think they're going to go higher here throughout the rest of the day. So I'm just giving them a little patience. I can go another 2,000 Tilray, but I'm going to wait. And I should start selling some UV right here. I'm on the ask at 4 and 3 right here. 4. Let me go 500 right on the ask here at 3 and 4. So that was that. So if you're tired of your damn day job, you know what to do. I'm 17. Is day trading worth it? I don't know. What else you have to do? How much money you got? How much time you got? There you go. Are you good at math? You like computers? Answer yes to those questions. You're probably good at it. Let's see here. Chrome. Let's see what Dave's up to. Tired of my day. He likes that. Here, Dave did a tweet. This is dedicated to all the short sellers. Listen, MVIS, they removed this tweet, is up 8%. Big deal. It's a penny stock. It moves 8% from the bid to the ask. See, that's not like, he hurts a lot of people because they don't know what the hell they're like counting on. He don't know what the hell he's doing either. MVIS moves up in 1 second, and it's that's why. So that's stupid. He's down 17% on MVIS. Shit call. We got NAK, N-A-K. It's a shitty company. Naked Brands. N-A-K. Oh, I got sold on UV. Look, sold me 1,000. There you go. I'll go 8 and 9 now. Nice, I could short MX again. Right here. Shorting MXC again. So there was a couple of stocks like on TV. All the guys came on and they said buy, sell, and hold. And the first one was MAR, M-A-R, Marriott Hotels. And they said, would you buy it right here? And they said yes. So it's a buy. And if you look right here, here's the chart on it. So they said it's a buy. Well, it was a buy here. Support maybe here. I think support's down here. So that's what I see. So I see support here. I see a level here. So you got some support right here too. So this is what you have. You have this much risk in this circle. And how much reward do you have? How much is the market really going to go up from here? Let's make an even circle. I'd say it can go that high. Well, that's an even 1-to-1 win. That sucks. So that's not a buy. I see it could go down. You'd want right here where this was the bottom. So your amount of risk is right here, really small. And then your amount of reward is much bigger. So it's 3-to-1. See how I just did that? That's so easy. Anyone can do that. So then they said JP Morgan. JPM was a buy. Some liked it. It's the same exact pattern. So right down here is the risk. It doesn't really have support here because it halted and did a lot. So it could easily come down to this big circle and go up to this one. It's even 1-to-1. That ain't no buy. Then they said Estee Lauder. EL was a buy. EL. Estee Lauder, same thing. Here's it, just like Boeing. This was the buy down here. That's no support. This is gap fill in here. So this has a lot of room, a big, huge circle of downside. How much upside can it really go? So the downside risk, it's negative. It's more downside than to up. It's not going to break out and go to new highs. The market ain't going to let it do. Markets, give me a break already with the market. Market's going to be changing, folks. It's going to be a lot of markets. Not going to be one market no more. Liquidity everywhere in one central place. They can't even keep up with the amount of mistakes and shit going on with the tickets. Must be crazy. All right, I'm short 1,000, Mr. MXC. And they also said, what else? Waste management was a buy. WM. Yeah, with all the COVID cleanup. It was a buy down here. It's the same as everyone else. Look, it has a huge circle of risk. How much upside can it do? It's negative. More risk than reward. It sucks. I wouldn't do any of those. I'd kind of do like the ones that I was in. Like Blink. How'd I buy Blink? I bought it right here. And it rode up to there. It's not a buy right now. Why? Because it has that much risk if something then drops. But the reward, how much more reward can it have? So at this point, it's negative. But when I was in it right here, it was based. So there was very, very little risk, a little dot. But the upside on it was huge. So it was a little dot to huge. That's how you do it. 5-to-1. Little dot to big dot. There you go. There's the risk on the 1 and there's the 5. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, I'm short 3,000. If it doesn't turn here, I cover the whole thing. And I reprice up towards 13. I ain't letting this shit go breaking out. But watch how I trade. Banging them out. They don't know what they're doing on the freaking CNBC shit. Come on now. Give me a buy, selling. I'll tell you what stocks. I'll tell you what they're good, what they're going to do. Believe me, I know what I'm doing. More than these guys on the TV, because I got much more experience than them. I seen when their dads was on TV. Now their sons is on TV. You know what I'm saying? Dude, you better ask somebody. Cash in under that 1250 now. I'm golden. 1220. Look at that drop on MXC. Holy crap, Mojo. I got a nice one here. Look at this one up 1,000 right now. 750. 1230 drop. There you go, Moj. Look at that. Oh, I gotta buy it on the bid. They're washing me. Decrease my position. Should go down to, there we go. Decreasing, 2,500 left. Come on now. Fill the Mojo on the bid. Buying on the bid. Buying, go down, drop, 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 drop. Oh, there we go. 1,000 left. You see all that covering? Beautiful. Drop. Drop. Oh, yeah. 20, 16, 15. Oh, yeah. Take me to 500. Hit the 15. Patience, hit the 15. Give me 18. Not filling my bid. Up 44 cents. There's 18. Come on. There we go. Out. Nice trade on MXC short, baby. Sweet. Got 1,000 UV left. Dude, 2609. Gonna hit 19 on UV. Putting the ask out at 19. Selling 300. Oh, dude. Yo, you know what? Dude, these guys on TV. First of all, let me tell you two things from TV. Kramer, talking about, like, on the buy, sell, and hold, goes, I don't really got that. JP Morgan. Everyone's bashing him. I love JP Morgan. I love JP Morgan. And Kramer goes, yeah, I got Facebook, Google, Amazon, all those winners and shit. As like, to save himself. Like, I ain't that bad. I got some winners. You know what he did? Let me show you. You see this Blink? I made 1,600. That's because I had a big position before. I just have 100 shares. Yeah, I got Blink. I don't really have Blink. I got ACB, CGC, and Tilray, and I ain't doing shit with them, dude. Tilray's time for the 500. I told you. So, dude, 100 shares of SND, I've made $4,000. Dude, I got SNDE. No, you don't, dude. You already sold it. So that's what Kramer was doing on TV. He don't have shit. He sold it. He's a waste. And his buy, sell, and hold is ridiculous. They should be having me with 30 years of market day trading in the trenches experience like him and tell him, sorry. You're gone. Because Mojo
Who's there? Nailed it!
nails them, baby. And I got the buttons.
Sweet! Awesome sauce! Sweet! Super sweet! Yes!
Yeah, baby.
So, dude, we got him going on. I can give Kramer a run for his money. And now they're all talking about Tesla. So for everyone interested in Tesla, let me fill you in what's going to happen with Tesla. Everyone's betting. Oh, yeah, let's first see what's happening with Amazon and what's his name's bet on the Amazon. You know, it was up, now it's down. So he's betting on the Amazon. Amazon, he made a good day yesterday, but he's betting not in it for one day. DDTG, Dave Portney. He bought it right down in here. It made a spike yesterday. Congratulations, but it's same price today. Down 45 points. Didn't sell it. He's not that kind of trade. Putting money in it, betting for the earnings on Amazon and holding it, and then betting for the earnings on people are betting for the earnings and shorting the Tesla and betting long on Tesla. Here's Tesla. Let me show you. So Tesla right here, folks. You had to pick it really here. Because now there's no worries. You're in the money. Here, look at the risk. There's a circle of risk right here. That's humongous. What's the upside? This circle. So look at the downside risk is huge. Upside's a tiny circle. It's negative, reverse, risk reward. It's a piece of shit. Let me tell you what happens. 3 things. 1, 2, I've been doing this long enough, folks. And 3. Let me go to this screen right here. I'll stay on this one. So this one right here. Let me reduce this. Move it over here. Okay, check this out. So this right here is what happens. 1, 2, 3. Stocks coming out with earnings. Well, the stock does a huge run-up. The day, the weeks, and the month before the earnings report comes out. It's like the movie Trading Places. They know, they got the information. Elon's loose-lipped, whatever it is. They know. People just know. And the stock moves up higher because they're accumulating it. Well, that's what happened here. And now everyone's shorting it, betting for it to go down since here. And they're wrong. So you're just like Soros betting for the market to go down at 19,000. 21, 22, you're wrong. 25, you're wrong. 27, you're wrong. So you're wrong on the short. So the first scenario is the stock will move up a big percentage before the earnings. And when the earnings come out, it'll spike up and huge drop down and squiggle volatility. There's a big percentage move that happens before. Or the stock will go down a nice percentage because people know the earnings are bad. And the stock goes lower. And then on the earnings pops up and then goes back down. A lot of volatility, swish and swash abound. But it didn't happen on that scenario. The third scenario is the stock does nothing and stays the same. And on the earnings date, if it's good, it'll fly to the moon. And if it's bad, it'll tank to hell. Those are the 3 things that can happen. That's it. I think number one happened. It already moved up in anticipation of earnings, and it's going to be a volatile toast up and down. And it's, hey, if it's $1,400 a share, hey, that's better than where it was down here at 820 down before the earnings. Look, it already, who cares what it does? Everybody's already made money. Look at Elon. He don't give a crap. He was the richest man in the world here. Took Bezos over here. Now this guy's the man. If Tesla doesn't buy Blink and make charging stations all over the entire world and just buy this company out, the more they go up, the more expensive a value it is. They got to do something. They should use that cash and they should buy this Blink charging stations and make it Tesla charging stations or Blink charging stations owned by Tesla before Amazon does it. That's how Bezos can get above them. Owns the company and this thing goes to $700 a share naturally or whatever. The value of it, he's going to get big time. UVXY's 20, boys. 25.96. Nice trade on UV. So Blink, like I said, I made $1,600 today on it. I don't own it no more. Done. OBLG, I made $1,000 on it today. See it? Done. Ogin, I've made $400 on it today. Done. SNDE, I've made $3,000 on it today. Done. ACB, I was up like $1,000 earlier. I really thought they were going to continue to go, and I'm down. So we'll see what they do towards the end of the day. This one's only a tick away. This one's only a tick away, and this one's a little profitable by a nickel. ACB. UV's 23. Nice job on UV. XEWI. Day trading is the best career choice I ever made. If you stick MOJO Day Trading and learn from Mike, you won't ever have to bow to no one. Hey, very nicely said. I like that. Thank you, sir. Mr. CB, Charlie Brown. All right, guys. Not interested in Tesla? Okay, nice. I'm glad that you're not. I'm not interested in it right now either. Got the hiccups. All right, UV is nice, up 36 cents. Done with the UV trade. Now let's just deal with this crap and be done with it. We got a nice. Oh, that really dumped. It was 17.45. I was up 8 cents. Tilray, I'm good. 1107 by 8. UV's 35. Made a nice move. Apple drop. Nice. All right, good show today, guys. Let's see what the crypto's doing. Fucking ads, I hate them. So let's check out some coins. So right here we got the Bitcoin 93.74. Buy it at 93.99. That's the buy price, and she'll rip over 9,500 and head to 96.50. Sell half. See if it comes back down to 95. Bounce off that again. Ethereum at 245. Add at 247 plus, and again at 249. 2 times. It'll go through 250. Ripple, do nothing. Bitcoin Cash, nothing. Bad number. Bad number. Bad number. Litecoin at 43. Add at 47 and 49. It'll go right through 50. Start right there. Binance Coin, 17. Add at 19. You'll sell at 24, just like Augur. EOS, nothing. Tezos, Heinz, 3. Stellar, Heinz, 10 cents. Monero, sequenced to 100. It's far away. I'd leave it. Wait till 80. Neo touched 11. Add at 15. And at 19, it's going to go to 20 like Augur did. Cosmos at 394. Go through 4. Nothing here. Dash at 72. We'll sequence to 100. Add at 80, 85. It'll jump big. Zcash, nothing. Bad number, bad number, bad number, bad number, bad number, bad number, bad number. 41 on Icon. Add at 47 and 49. Go through 50. 89 on Bitcoin Diamond. Add at 95 and 97. Go through $1. Decred, add at 19. Go through 21, 22. Like Zquilla, started at 11. It's at 19 now. Energy at 193 into 2. Zcoin at 598 into 6. Tomo Chain at 94 into $1. Handshake at 09 into a 10. White touched 11. Add at 19. Go to 20 cents. 18 on Metaverse. I'd wait till 19 and start a sequence into 20. $59, nothing. $2, not. Fatcom, Mini Heinz 150. Dero at 114, add at 19, go right through 20. Fibos at 0937, we'll go through 10. And that's it for the whole list. Those are the ones that I picked. That's where it'll go. That's what'll happen. Nice UV, boys. Look, 2650 on UV. Should have held some of that UV. Look at it. Beautiful move on that UV. Probably a short right now. All right, CGC, I'm going to get out on the ask. Only 4 cents away. Tilray should make a bounce. It is making a bounce right here. Should be able to get out at 30, no problem. ACB up $200, no problem. And that's what I got going on for today. So let me show you and leave you with this, guys. If this stock right here you were burned in today, you got burned by a shmuru. Let me show you. So this shmuru right here had 3,888 people watching, and he did the OBLG, the MXC, the OGIN. You see him right here? Getting in action right here. MXC. See him trading it right here. So what happened was, here's MXC. So here's the chart on it. The stock was $11. So what you saw was right here. Blow it up. At this particular time, right here, as the stock was coming down, see it? Right there? It was being accumulated and watched. Why? Because it went up here earlier, like LGHL did the other day, and 5 others. So it spikes earlier, so you know it could move really nice. The volume is very small. There's like nothing there. Okay? Right here is the buy. So starts accumulating shares for a buy. A shmuru. That's a guru and a schmuck. Shmuru. And they buy it right here. And then they say, hey, room, come on, buy with me. And the volume comes in right here. See that volume? Enormous volume. Look at this volume. This volume is nothing like this. See this bar? That's his buy. Bought all that shit. Because he knows. I'm going to call it out to 7,000 people, and they're going to rush in, and they're all going to buy. Look at all that volume. And the bar pumps up. And he sells right into it. And he makes some cash. And then the next bar, they finish up the buying right here. And on this bar, they're all in. Now it's got to go higher. It's got to really rip up. And a red bar starts to happen. And some selling starts to come in. See that? And then, this is a different stock, but the same exact example. And then here's the drop down. So the first bar, here it is. He does the buy. Okay. They all come in. He sells right into them. So right there, you're stuck. Wherever you bought right up in here, these are all the buys. You own it right up in here. And that's $12 and change. He bought it down here at 9. So he's going to make $10,000. He has many thousands of shares. So right up here, boom, he makes $10,000. Because right here, he knows it's already moved. It's already done it once. This is in the pre-market. So he knows it could move again. And this has very little volume. This is the big volume bar. So he comes, boom, boom. Now it comes down, and right here, it halts trading. The separation in between the two bars, it halts trading. And then everybody right here is losing their stock. The firms are selling them out. They're stopping out. They're auto closing, taking the loss. Right there at 972. So if you lost on that trade right there, you know exactly what happened. Already traded 7 million at the time. See that? And then he did it again. So here's another one. Bought, sold, room crushed. Again, in the same day. And I know how it works and what happens, so it's pretty bad. Here's an example of a perfect trade. Let me show you. So right here, the stock makes a run higher, and I short it, betting for it to go lower. and I short 50 shares. Then 12 seconds later, I do 100. It's going higher, so I'm filling in to get an average cost. Then it even goes higher. And it goes higher. And it goes higher, so I filled 300 more right here. Then it goes lower and then higher. So it's fiddling around in here, and I filled up just tapping 100 shares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000 shares. Then it started to come down at 28, retesting, so I did 1,000 and 1,000. And I was done at 1132. Scaled in. If it would have gone higher, I would have just sold it. I wouldn't have let it go over 50. I would have repriced. So my risk was only 18 cents. So I was risking, let's say, 20 cents. Now it starts to drop. So I fill right here, 14.14. At 11:33.18. At 11:33.21, within 0.3 of a second, it dropped $1 to 13.11. And I made right there, that's an average of, I'll tell you right now, 14.14 and 13.11. 14.14 plus 13.11 divided by 2 is 13.62. So I covered at 13.62. I shorted it at 14.32. I made 70 cents. I made 3 times the risk. So the little circle versus the big circle. And I filled and covered that baby up for a beautiful trade. This is an example of scaling in and scaling out of the trade. And I bet for this one to go down. It was short sold. And then you have to buy it back. That's what I got going on. All right. These are coming back a little bit. The weeds. ACB is 11.10. See the spike? Glad I didn't get shaken out. This one's coming back too. And Tilray's even. I was down the most on Tilray before. So this one I'm going to sell right here at 32. Half of it. When it gets there, we'll see what it does. I still got a lot of time. 2 hours, these things couldn't really run. They're ready to move. They're ready to move. All right. So guys, my golf tip I told you. You hit the ball good. I know that, Van, and you guys out there that play golf. I know you hit it good. But guys, I've been hitting it. Let me show you. Let me show you the level that I hit the golf ball at. Okay, here's the now look at that baby, right? That's a nice looking golf club I drew, huh? These are irons. This right here, pitching wedge. Should hit it all like a pitching wedge. Hit every shot like a pitching wedge. Okay? So watch. I'll change the color to blue. Now, see this little blue spot? Okay. If you keep your head completely still and your eyes locked in on the ball, left eye, like a mat. Don't move it, and just move everything else back and through. And don't move that damn eyeball or blink, dude. You'll hit it on the blue circle. If you keep your head still, but don't do that. You're like, yeah, your head's still, but it moves just a little bit. You'll hit it on the blue dots around the circle. During the course of the round, even in the putting, if you do it this way, you'll hit a 75 and below. You'll hit 75 shots without moving your freaking eyeball. You'll shoot really good. If you move it around, you're going to shoot 75 plus into 80s and stuff. 85, 90, or whatever you shoot. But you want to hit that freaking shot 75 times in a row with the putts, 32 putts, and freaking 40 so strokes. You better keep your eye right on that sucker. And that's been my little swing thought and key that I've been using. And I go up and I visualize the shot so I don't think about the swing. And I just get up and keep my eyes still as shit. And I stroke it, dude. And I tell you, I've never hit so many good shots in a row. Sweet. And that gives you confidence, dude. Telling you. So it's not like out of 9 shots, you're hitting 7 or 6 good iron shots. And the good ones are just okay. I mean, I'm really stroking it. So that's what you should do. Dude, if I was telling that to my son, he'd hate me. I get to tell it to somebody. I can't talk to my son. Yeah, dude, I tell him with baseball, dude. He gets in the garage, he's swinging, the head's moving. I'm like, dude, keep your eye focused on my hand when you... Don't move your damn head. No one will strike you out ever. You'll put the bat on the ball every single time, man. Telling you. That's what you got to do. Nice trade on that UV, guys. Great job. Great job. So listen, thanks for watching the Mojo Show. I'll be live in the morning. I wasn't live this morning, but subscribe to my channel, guys. Down there. This way, guys, when I go live, you get notified. Then you can give me a thumbs up for the video, because if you like it, what's the purpose of giving a thumbs up? What's the purpose of a like? Well, Google and YouTube have an algorithm. So when someone's searching day trading, hey, I'm doing a day trading video, and I put in the description day trading, and you liked it, that means you're respectable. They're respecting your decision of that like, and they'll show that video to someone who may be searching, and my video would come up with someone that didn't get any likes, theirs wouldn't. So the more likes, the more times they have a chance to show my videos and get known out there, because you ain't gonna see me before the videos. Like when you see the ads, I got 20 grand. I got my Rolex right here. You ain't got the Rolex. I got some gold. You want some gold? I got some Bitcoin. I got some Kishish. I got my Bitcoin over there. I got my coins. I got I show all money day trading. Only in the Mojo room. Only in the Mojo room. There you go. Flashing the dollarinis and the watches and sprinkling gold all over the keyboards. What we do. You want to do that? Come on to the Mojo room. What is that? Isn't that crazy? Dude, I buy the dip and I sell the rip. When people say buy, I say sell. When people say sell, I say buy. I buy the DDTG. When he's selling the DDTG upside on the DDT, then I go do a pizza review.
Wow!
Let me count my money. Oh, let me count my money. Oh, I got to put my watch on. Oh, my gold's all over the place. Dude, clean up the gold, dude. Get the dust buster. Clean up the gold. We don't need it. Throw it away. We're rich. That's what people do. I'll never do that, dude. I've been trading for 30 years. I know exactly how to look at the stocks and the prices. And all you got to do is trade with me, dude. I'm here every day. I'm going to plan to be here for some time to come. If you'd like to trade online with me, it's in the chat room, real time. Go ahead. Click the link below and sign up. I think it'll be a blessing for you. And if you don't, peace. Keep it profitable. And I'll see you around. Pro Trader Mike later.